Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the essential steps for repairing a small engine, focusing on tools, internal cleaning, and effective techniques. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a socket set, screwdrivers, a multimeter, and a cleaning kit. Make sure you have all these tools ready before starting. Begin by ensuring your workspace is clean and organized. A clutter-free area helps you find tools easily and prevents accidents. Next, let's look at the engine. First, remove the cover by unscrewing the screws using your socket set. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the cover is off, inspect the components inside. Look for any signs of wear or damage. If you need to replace parts, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, allowing you to understand what needs fixing before proceeding. Now, let's clean the internal parts. Use a cleaning kit to wipe down surfaces and remove any debris or carbon buildup. Pay special attention to the carburetor and spark plug area. If you find it challenging to clean or need assistance, don't forget we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you. After cleaning, check the spark plug. If it's damaged, replace it with a new one. To remove it, use a spark plug socket and turn it counterclockwise. Insert the new plug by threading it in and tightening it gently. If you're unsure about the spark plug type, check the engine manual or ask for our quote before repair service, which can save you time and money. Next, let's move on to the carburetor. Remove it carefully by unscrewing the bolts. Be cautious not to damage any gaskets. Clean the carburetor using carb cleaner and a brush, ensuring all jets are clear. Reassemble the carburetor, making sure all connections are tight. If you feel overwhelmed, remember, no calls, no travel is needed, we can handle it for you. Now, check the fuel lines for cracks or leaks. If they are compromised, replace them to prevent fuel leaks. Reattach any components you have removed. Ensure everything is secured tightly. Before starting the engine, double-check that all screws and bolts are properly tightened. Finally, it's time to test your work. Reconnect the engine to power and turn it on. Listen for any unusual sounds. If the engine runs smoothly, you've successfully completed the repair. If not, don't hesitate to reach out for further assistance or a professional diagnosis without obligation. By following these steps, you've not only learned how to repair a small engine but also gained confidence in your DIY abilities. Remember, having the right tools and a clean workspace is key to any successful repair. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.